Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I got a food experiment for you guys. I'm tweaking my holiday ham recipe. And I just want to show this shirt. Krampus, you guys remember how I made a Krampus ornament? My brother got it for me for Christmas. And I wrote down the recipe in this Harry Potter journal. Yes, I'm a Potter fan. And I'm going to read off everything to you. Well, everything that all the ingredients, you know what I'm saying. Christmas ham recipe. 1 cup of honey, half cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, half cup of pure maple syrup, 1 cup of cola, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 20-ounce can of sliced pineapples and heavy syrup, 1 16-ounce jar of Marciano cherries, can't pronounce that at all, half cup of caramel syrup or caramel, 2 cups of apple cider, 2 tablespoons of butter, no fucking cloves, they fucking suck, yeah. And that is all you will need, except for a little bit of water inside your pan that you're going to use. I'm using my turkey pan that I use, yeah. Judge me, whatever, don't give a shit. Alrighty, here we go, everyone. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And next, get you a big ass pot to mix all those ingredients together. Apple cider, brown sugar, cinnamon, Coca-Cola, and the maple syrup, honey, Dijon mustard, ginger, butter, caramel or caramel. I prefer caramel. I've always said caramel. And now stir all this shit together and then boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Y'all are probably thinking, why is he scoring a spiral ham? Well, I am. I want to get all that shit in there. And now glaze it all over. And now with the toothpicks, put your cherries on and make sure to space them out pretty good, because next you will be putting on, yes, you guessed it, the pineapple rings. And yes, this looks awesome. I already want to eat it all up. And then glaze this beautiful bitch up again, because next you'll be putting it into the oven covered in tin foil, and you're going to bake it for about 2.5 hours. Every half an hour, take out and glaze and baste again, except for on the last 45 minutes. For the last 45 minutes, bake it for 100 degrees. On your final time taking it out, glaze and baste once more, and then let sit for 10 minutes. And here is the taste test. Oh, that looks amazing. Yes. Ham is so much better without the freaking cloves in it. Yes. 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 Ah, this is awesome. This food experiment is a definite A+. Have a great night, everyone.